Guys, today I'm going to give you the review about Stan Smith, and we will also do the unboxing, guys. So this is Stan Smith CF. As you all knows, it's a famous Adidas sneakers. So the box looks like this, three stripes, and there is a famous Adidas original logo, and you can see here. So when we open it, Adidas Stan Smith CF, guys, really nice shoes. You can see here it looks like this. And because I'm a bit of a lazy person, so I don't prefer the laces. I prefer these ones. And this is a famous Adidas Stan Smith, guys. So from behind, it's a famous green color, and there is a Adidas logo over here, written here Stan Smith, and there are three stitches over here, you can see here. And from the front, it looks like this, and it's a completely white shoes, three Adidas famous stripes, but they don't put the full stripe, they just put the dots here. And you can see here the stitches over here. And from the inside also three Adidas stripes, but this time they make only the small holes over here, so there is no stripes over here, so it's completely white. From the downside, it's completely flat. As you can see here, there is a famous Adidas logo, and these are the patterns from the downside, guys. And from the front, there is a famous Stan Smith picture, as you guys all aware of it. I'll show you. So there's a famous Adidas Stan Smith picture, and there is a signature of Stan Smith, guys. You can see here. Okay, and this one is really comfortable, this cushioning, and from here it's really comfortable, so soft, you can see here. And when you wear it, it's really comfortable, guys. So you can see here there is the stitches over here, but stitches are till this side. After that there is no stitches. You can see here the famous Adidas logo, and it's carved Adidas. So there are three of these in front of me, as you can see here. So guys, if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.